I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling classic and modern cars since 1988.
Here we have a 2004 Porsche 911. It's the 996 Gen 2 model with the later 3.6 engine. It's in really good condition throughout. It's a very well maintained car. Had an engine rebuild not so long ago at Hartech Engineering. Cosmetically presents in really good condition. Rear parking sensors, Michelin tyres all around. The back one's fitted in 19 and the front's in 18. Very, very smart car in silver, and she's NCT'd up to late 23. She's electric tilt and slide sunroof. Moving inside, black leather interior, sport seats, electric function. She's got the Porsche embossings. These are in good condition. No splits or tears. She's Tiptronic. Leather steering wheel. 153,000 kilometers showing. Porsche climate control. Stereo CD. Dash is in good condition, along with the passenger seat. Alcantara headlining, good condition. That's the small bucket seats in the rear. Again, good condition. Mechanically, she's in really good order. As I mentioned, she's had a full engine rebuild by the specialist Hartech in the UK a couple of years ago, and I think there's 9,000 kilometers done since. Comes with 3 keys, the book pack and large history file, and complete contents in the book pack. It's an original Irish car from new, very well stamped service book, and a lot of invoices to back this up as well. Engine's been fully rebuilt by Hartech in 2019. Right, let's go for a little spin. She's Tiptronic, starts first time. Away briskly. Very, very tight car. It's been very well maintained in recent years, and it shows in the way it drives. Pretty tight to drive. Good brakes. Really good example for one of these that's, bearing in mind, 19 years old. All the instruments are working. Showing good oil pressure. Volts going through the battery at the moment. Temperature gauge reading normal at 80. The only thing I find, the aircon is not ice cold. Stereo was good. Electric sunroof, handy to have one of these. They can get quite warm on a summer's day inside. This will make the driving a little bit more enjoyable. A lovely example of one of these, and I have it advertised for what I think is a very reasonable price. Won't be too many left at this sort of money in this sort of condition. So there we have it, an original Irish car, presenting in excellent condition, very, very honest, with a rebuilt Hartech engine.
I'm very proud to be the top rated car dealer on TRUSTPILOT in Ireland today.